tatawagan si Papa sa phone. Bakit? Anong kailangan mo kay Papa?
Money.
Papa, you like money. Bakit? What will you buy?
Yeah.
What will you buy?
Sweet all.
Ay, cream. O, di ba, I don't like you to eat cream o na. Kasi sinasayang mo lang. Kinakain mo lang yung palaman, tapos tinitira mo lang yung mga biscuit. No na. Huwag ka nang bumili. Can you close your mouth?
Lola, today, time.
Nako.
Today, time.
Busy si Papa, hindi sumasagot eh. May Papa pa. Nag-message po siya kay Papa niya sa
Today,
message.
time.
Can you lower? Nag-message siya kay...
time.
Again.
Ano?
Nag-message po siya kay Papa sa messenger. Sabi niya, Papa, please answer, please. Can you close your mouth? I told you, right? Papa, don't give you baon kasi wala namang pasok. Can you put your clothes down? Ang kulit po ni Erin, mga kapatid. Sabi ko na, don't put
No.
the money there. Mamaya hindi ko makita, malagay mo sa lalamunan yan. Ay, we will go to the hospital.
No, today.
Sige lang, sige.
No.
No. Can you put your clothes down? Hands down. It's dangerous to put the money in your mouth. And it's dirty. Right?
It's dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty.
No,
You go get alcohol and wipe your hands. Or kaya wash it.
Bye.
Naghahanap na naman po siya ng makakain. Samantala, nagpapahinga kami. Katatapos ko na maglaba. At yung bata, nangungulit na naman. Hands down, I said. Always, dapat ba lagi ka may baon? Wala namang pasok, ba't ka magbabaon? We have bread there.
Lola,
Hands. Can you put your clothes down? Again. For the nth time. Hands. Put it down. Huwag ka na lang magdamit. Ganyan po si Erin. Tawa lang naman siya ng tawa. And Mama will get angry soon.
no, actually.
Yes, I'm angry na naman eh.
No, actually.
Mama always angry.
No, actually.
Ako si Mrs. Hawk. Ako si Mrs. Hawk. Alam mo yun, naiinis ka na pero natatawa ka pa rin.
Today, time.
Pigilan. Can you put your clothes down?
Today, time.
Ano?
Bless.
No calling Papa because Papa is at work.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Later we call Papa, okay?
Okay.
Papa, receive your message. Papa will call you, okay?
Okay.
We call Lola but Lola may be asleep.
Wait, 9.
Can you put your clothes down for the 10th time? 10. 9. Ooh, walang si Benabol under the sea.
Napa?
He hates Bob.
Napa?
At pag hindi po siya sumusunod sa akin, yun po yung kinakanta ko. Do you want Mama to be angry?
No. La-la-la.
Do you want Mama to be angry?
No. La-la-la.
Why?
La-la-la.
Ano?
La-la-la.
Ano that's this?
La-la-la.
Why?
U-N-E.
Ano yan?
Lozenges.
Lozenges. Bakit kailangan mo ng lozenges? Masakit ba lalamunan mo? Ha? No.
Lozenges.
Language.
Lozenges.
Language.
Lozenges.
Language.
Language.
Oh, that's language, not lozenges. Language. Language is this. Hello, Erin. That's language. Hello, Mama. Hello, Papa. How are you? Did you eat your lunch? Goodbye, Erin.
Bye, Amy.
Goodbye, Erin.
Goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye, Bob.
Goodbye. Good night, Amy. Good night, Bob to draw.
Yes. Don't
Yes.
wait, Mama is talking pa. Alam niyo ba guys, si Erin dati hindi siya nagtutok. Yeah, Erin is not talking right before. Now, you right?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like talking now?
Yes.
Yes. You answered me right. Do you love me? Do you love me?
Love.
Love. Spell love.
L-O-V-A-E. Love.
Love. Do you want kiss or do you want hug? Kiss. Sino kamukha mo? Si mama o si papa?
Mama.
Are you sure? Can I see your... Can I see your eyes? If the same with mama. Can I see your eyes? Where's your eyes? See? Mama eyes is big and your eyes is small.
Sorry. Ayo.
Sana ay gumaling ka na.
Sorry. Ayo.
Yan. This is language.
Ayo.
Kayo. Say a, e, i, o, u. Say u. Say u.
U.
Pataas. U.
U.
A,
E.
e, i,
O.
u.
U.
Asa na yung u?
U.
No?
U.
Taas.
U.
Ganon.
Time.
Say apple.
Apple.
Say apple.
A is for apple.
A is for apple.
B is for
B is for ball.
boot.
Ano?
Boot.
Boot.
B is for boot.
B is for boot.
C is for
C is for
cat.
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 Ay, cat. D is for
Dot.
huh?
D is for dot.
Dot.
D is for dot.
Spell.
U-T-H.
D.
D is for drum.
Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum.
Elephant.
E is for.
Elephant.
Can you put down your clothes for the 11th time? Can you put your clothes?
D is for elephant. Elephant.
Angry na talaga eh.
F is for fish.
F is for fish.
G is for giraffe.
Ah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Gorilla.
G is for gorilla.
Gorilla.
Next.
Hat.
Huh?
H is for home.
Ano?
H is for
A,
home.
B, C, D, E, F, G. H is for
Home.
home. Say H. Say H.
Home.
Say H.
home.
H.
Home.
Say H.
H.
H. Wala pa siyang H.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Next.
Ice cream. This is for jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish. This is for kangaroo.
Huh? K is for
Kangaroo.
kangaroo. Say it
Kangaroo.
properly.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L is for lion.
L is for lion. Ooh.
Lion.
Can you put your
Lion.
hands and
Li-
clothes down for the
Lion.
12th time?
Lion.
Lion. Next.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
Puppy.
Huh?
Mama monkey.
Mama monkey.
S is for nest.
N is for nest.
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 O is for orange.
Orange.
Puppy.
Ano?
P
P is for
puppy.
puppy. Say puppy.
Puppy.
Puppy. Next.
Q is for twin.
Q is for
Twin.
queen.
The twin.
Next.
On your rabbit.
R is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
Next. Hands down.
And your sun.
Your S is for
Sun.
sun. Say.
T is for
Say.
sun.
Wala pa siyang S. Sun.
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 T is for tree.
T is for tree.
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 You are umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
Umbrella. V is for statue.
Ano?
V
V is for
fan.
Van.
Fan.
van.
W is for water.
W is for wagon. Say.
Water.
Wagon.
That's yours. X is for xylophone.
X is for xylophone.
Xylophone.
Sa xylophone. X, Y.
Yo-yo.
Y is for yo-yo.
Yo.
Y, Z.
Yo. June.
Z is for zoo. Zoo.
Bye.
Bye. That's our language for today.
Sige, bye.
Yeah, bye. Babush, say.
Babush. Babush.
Like and subscribe. Say.
And this is bye. Bye.
Bye.